Hi everyone, how are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Good morning to you. Yes, good morning, good morning. Please, this is a new week. All right. Today's date is 26th of January 2026. And I'm bringing to you a very good, exciting breaking news from the office of COS DPM Dr. Abeze. She made a tweet that will gladden your heart if you're actually a lover of freedom. If you love good things, this video is for you. But if you're a hater of good things, progress, please, you can just skip this particular video because it is for those that have pure heart. Now, the news is about what US posted. She made a twist. So she made a tweet, and that tweet is what we are here to share because it is worth sharing. And I am calling. This is me encouraging you to like the video, please. Very, very important. It's always good that you hit that button, especially at the beginning when you watch the video, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes thereabouts. You expect to like the video, okay? Because that is the best way to carry this particular news to many platforms, to many people, so that they will have notification and they will be aware of the good things taking place, internally and externally on the issue of Biafra movement. So DPM made a post like you can see on the screen, and that post she said, "Breaking: the United States of Biafra USB now discoverable in the world map in West Africa. Biafrans," she said, "be happy. Our country has made it. We are going to go through this, like I promised. We are going to go through it, but I have something to say. When Biafran, when you are being informed, or when somebody told you that you need to support Biafran government, you need to support the USB government. Some of you are of opinion that is a waste of money. There's nothing. Then show me what Ngozi is doing with it. Show me what Ngozi is saying. What Ngozi is saying. All that nonsense. There's time for everything. Everything has time and season. Once you know the time and season of whatever you are back on, if you are doing something, always know the time and the season. Because if you fail to know it, you may think that you are not doing something meaningful, or maybe no one guy can job without knowing that you're actually on the process, or you are on the progress. You are actually on the process to progress to that level that you were expecting. When a woman take in, you have to start counting from weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay? Some people can't count it through to week 7, that kind of thing, until due date. What I'm trying to say is that the feeling that you have when you conceive for the first time, maybe at the early stage, first trimester, second trimester, is not the same. As you progress, the feeling will also be progressing. It will be changing as well. Just like when you started schooling, your first year, let me not narrow it down to primary to secondary school. You started from kindergarten and all that, pre-nursery, whatever, and primary school, then secondary. Your feelings towards school study, changes. The stage we find ourselves after declaration is the stage that many of us are not aware of it. We don't know what it means. We are just there because we find ourselves there after declaring Biafra. Some who wanted to declare it don't know the consequences, what is expected of you, the bold step that you took to declare it. You also need to back it up to achieve that which you know that you won't achieve, that made you to go there to declare it in the first place. Why am I saying all this? Some of us believe that the way to have freedom, to see that you're doing something, is the number of sound of freedom that you heard from our land and all that. But you need to understand that once you declare it, you are no longer engaging locally. Your presence in the international space is much needed, and much is expected of you to show that you are capable of governing yourself. You understand what human right is all about. You understand what fairness is all about, because that is what the world wants. because nobody wants to live in a chaotic situation. So when when you are being, begged or want or advised to support financially, your mind is focused on gravel and catapult. It's part of it, don't get me wrong, but movement internationally or movement in international space, world stage, is most important. When people talk about printing of money, ID card, okay, constitution, when US government fixed it in Amazon, people said, "Is it?" But he's selling it. What are you? Who you buy? Who you buy? Until they started seeing that even American constitution, everything is also being sold in Amazon. The reason is because you have to do what other countries are doing to show that you are equal to the tax. If you want to become a footballer, that's what is called trial. They will put you to test you how you trap ball, how you kick ball, okay, your skills, your footballer knowledge, your awareness, how smart, how clever, how effective you can be in the pitch. You cannot just be on pitch and begin to mess up as a footballer. There are some certain things that is expected of you to become a professional footballer. So this issue of map is not just finding himself there. Don't worry, we're going to go through it. I just want you to understand, because when I saw this breaking news from COS handle, what comes to my mind is that this is it. Exactly the kind of thing that gladdened my heart. The Biafran flag you can only see it, not the way it's supposed to be, but gradually everything is not taking place. Some of you may say, "Oh, but it's not in the world in the Google map." Companies that manage map are not totally well. A journal of a thousand miles starts with one step. Google will not pick this one as well and fix it based on the time. Just support and get this fixed properly. For those of you that argue Somaliland have been governing themselves before recognition, yes, they will govern themselves with the help of some their people. Don't be like DOS Lolo Nick Chimese or Chimekes, I don't know what her name. Who pretend never to know that Biafra have not been declared. Just like many other master prophets, and many of them, they don't talk about it. To them, Samonepa is a problem. They want to take over Masamunukan and all that. The same thing was Rike is saying, that Masamunukan want to overshadow him. You have to recognize me. I'm the one. No, all these people. Even they're going to use his husband influence to report negative information against the PMs and whatever. Utilize your office for the well-being of your people. Do not allow yourself to be used, so that you are not going to live to regret it. So let's go back to the post. This is the post itself. I'm going to take it again so you can understand what the post is all about. Breaking: the United States of Biafra, USB now discoverable in the world map in West Africa. Biafrans, be happy, our country has made it. Now, when you click here, I'm coming before I click on the link. When you click here, Wikimedia Commons said, files, location, United States of Biafra, West African.svg. Okay. Now, when you come here, this is a picture. You see the dot here. Okay, I cannot expand it. This is the highest I can go on this, because I don't need to start doing deep exposition or all this, because you can see the dot here is where Biafra is being located in the a sketch of a Nigerian map here in Africa and all that. But the good thing, like I told you, is that USB government Biafra is here to stay. The circle we are seeing here is where it's been located inside the map of Nigeria and other bodies out of it. Okay, this is the company, this is the website that carried it. and we are going to click on it. When you click on it, it will not load and bring you here. Okay, here you can now see the company again, which is the host of this information. File location, United States of Biafra, West Africa.svg. Files, discussion. You see the authenticity of this discussion. You know what that means? Okay, discussion about the content page. Page does not exist because it's still under discussion. That's my own take on this. Then when you come here, you can see the size, the map again in a clear form. Okay, this is it. This is it. This is the location. Okay, you see it. That is USB. So this will go a long way. This is the requirement. What is expected of you? What is expected of you? Okay. You can see caption, English map of Biafra, Africa, summary, description, English map of Africa, of Biafra, Africa, dated date 30th of May 1967. Source, remember. So to some of you that may say, why don't you put 2004, 2014, 2024? Remember, what you did is a redeclaration. Biafra has been redeclared before. And those countries that recognize Biafra have not actually withdrawn their recognition. All Biafra need to do is to go there, reactivate it or reawaken the fire to be active and visible to the people of the world. Author, what time? So here is the map. Like I said, you can see everything, the details here, and this is a way to go. Okay, this is a way to go. It's very, very nice and very, very important that we mention it the way it is. Now, I want you to understand that reason why I emphasize more on supporting is because more they could achieve more than this. More than this could be achieved if you genuinely support. There's a link in our live broadcast when we were reading the write-up from Ugotu 47. I don't know if it's what I wrote it. That link of that WhatsApp group that they're talking about. If you have it, and those of you that you can afford $400 per month, right? Why don't you go there and do something? Very, very important. Are you not happy with this now? I think you are very happy. I think you are very happy. More of this, more than this, is expected to come, but Abaraka for what is it? I don't back it defend our do what play your own part and allow the government to do the rest for you. And God is at work. Of course, you can't do without God. That is the message of this hour. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think. Are you happy? Are you happy about this map, about this news? If you are, I am happy also to bring it for you, to bring it to your doorstep so you can react and let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And in case if you have been asked to recommend the channel, please do your best on that. Take care of yourself and because I know some of you have seen the owner of the platform must have send you my channel and ask you, what do you think about this video? You know what I mean? So those of you that receive it, do the needful and vote, positively for the channel. It won't cost you anything. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Take care.